Get that dino.
That definitely looks like Sturgeon.
Yeah, it's got the same jaggedness that we get when we see it. Yeah, look at it on my... Starting to pick him up on the live scope. He looks long.
He ain't a huge one though.
Oh, it's
Oh, maybe.
a few feet long. It ain't huge, but it's gonna be the big fish of the trip so far.
I could probably tighten this drag a little bit.
So did he thump it pretty good? You felt it?
Yeah. Uh-oh. Did you pull up my other rod?
Brad did, yeah.
Oh.
He's gonzo.
He decided he's going down. Yeah, he's funny.
Yeah, you don't want him to get too far away. Ooh. It's acting bigger now.
Yeah.
He was just going easy on you. What's happening?
I don't know.
Oh, okay. There you go. It seemed like he was stuck there. Like you were just dead waiting.
Yeah, he was.
Yeah, he was just under the hole. You see him on the live scope. Oh, I wonder if I should reel mine up. Reel up my walleye rod at least. Oh, reel up my other one. It's moving. My bad. Should have reeled it up. I thought it was gonna be smaller because you were kind of horsing at first.
It wasn't.
Yeah, you definitely got it. Trip the bail.
Okay, how about the walleye one?
Oh, this one feels good.
Well, that's something anyway.
I ain't making any ground.
No, he's just kind of kicking your butt. Get him! You were doing good.
I was making some ground there. No, he's got it all back again.
Ooh, that was weird. Try reeling mine up again, just see if you can get anywhere with it. I'd love to not have that in the mix, just because the worst thing is you get it like halfway up and then have a spider web of line involved. You're getting him to the hole at least. He's like straight down, so at least he's not 50 yards downriver.
There's your bobber right there.
Is that? Oh, that ain't good.
Definitely still got it.
All right, crap.
If I take that bobber off of it.
Take a line. Oh, there it goes.
It was stuck?
Yeah.
Maybe just hang on to that rod, because I don't want... What's going on here? Come on, man. Point that GoPro over here, Dad. Or Brad. Because that, if this one dies, at least we'll have something then. I think they're gonna fight way harder here because of the current. Right. Yeah, it's just gonna kick your butt a lot more. You're doing good now. There, he's straight down on my live scope. Got him off the bottom too. Don't lose him.
Maybe you should pull that transducer up on that other one, because I see your bobber going by it.
There's the thing.
Yeah, that's where I saw him before, was on mine.
Shut that off.
to get my bobber off. If it comes up, try to get it off. Should have reeled mine up. I thought it was like a 2-footer at first, you know?
Yeah, I didn't think it was that big when I first did.
It's got to be at least a 3-footer. Pushing more like a 45-incher or better, I would think, to fight this hard. Maybe it's big. Who knows?
Yeah.
He's sure fighting good. Seems like you're putting pretty good pressure on it, but the drag's slipping, so
Yeah.
if you're feeling like you can put that much pressure on it, then I can go tighter on the drag. No, don't go. Get up here.
Come on. Oh, man.
Handing it off.
Nope. Yeah. Yeah, you seem like you're doing pretty good now.
There's your bobber net out of the hole.
Lovely.
One where the transducer used
Yeah. I just hope it's tangled far down. Because that's the worst is if you get a big gob and you can't go into your reel with it. Come on, baby. Home stretch. Seems like he's giving in a little bit. When he changes angles fast like that too, you know that's a good sign.
He's closer.
Yeah. At least that's out of the equation. Come on, get up here. Oh, he's on the straight under us again. On the bottom though. It doesn't look huge on the live scope. I mean, it could still be big. Just I'm not getting a good signal of it. Another one of those. You don't want to catch a big one. We don't have big enough reels for a big one on this river. We're St. Croix fishermen.
I'm doing like the sea fisherman.
Yep.
There he is.
Oh, he looks big there. 4 feet?
Yeah, those are 2 foot.
Ooh, might be more than 4 feet
A
then.
little over 4 probably.
He might be 50 plus. He's fighting like a 50 plus. Because even if he wasn't big, he wouldn't be able to keep going on runs. He would just be dead weighting you in the current. Like, and the St. Croix, that was always kind of our thing, is if it's like, okay, if he makes like 3 or 4 runs, he's over 50 inches.
Something else.
On the bottom there. Couple. There he is. That's got to be him, doesn't it? Yeah, that's your fish. It's a solid 4 feet, I'd say. He's still on the bottom, though. Got bad
This
news.
drag just needs to be more. 'Cause
Yeah.
it doesn't seem like,
There, you're lifting him now a little bit. You got him off the bottom.
it seems like I should be able to pull a little bit more on this pole.
Mm-hmm. If your arms aren't sore, we can go tighter on the drag probably.
Cause see, if I hold it,
It doesn't feel like you're pulling too hard?
no.
Well then crank more. It's more of what you feel like you can get away with as far as how hard you're pulling on the fish. Yeah. Yeah, he's over 4 feet, I'd say.
But I mean, I don't have
50
to
incher.
hold this very hard, and then he can't strip it.
Yeah, but how hard are you pulling on the rod is the key, because that's how hard you're pulling on the line ultimately. Boy, he does not want to come off that bottom, because every time you get him about a foot or 2 off the bottom, that's when he starts fighting harder. He wants to stay down there. Think you got him off the bottom? I bet you do.
Yeah.
Yeah. Don't let him go back down. No. No. Yeah, you got him. He's up 5-6 feet there. He's almost halfway now.
Yeah, each run now he doesn't got as much.
Yeah. You're only down 15 feet, but he's swimming all around under the house. He might be 15 feet away.
Why does it do that?
Because it's changing directions on you. Gotta be getting close.
Oh, he's coming out.
Kid is. Hey, is your dad back? No. He's probably like, why are they talking to me?
There he is.
There it is.
Oh, well. I was still looking at the flash. That's a big one. Try to get the tail.
Or should I try to get the head up?
Well, either way.
There he is.
A big lamprey on him.
So, yeah.
Nasty. Wow, that's a big one, dude. That's why you fought hard. Okay, just don't horse him.
There.
Alright. Woo! That's a new PB right there.
Where's your line?
I have no idea. Hey, we got a big sturgeon over here. That's alright, you want to see it? We don't need help. He's in it now.
Oh.
Nice. How'd we do? That's a pretty good one, huh?
Yeah. What a big. Oh.
Oh, the lamprey fell off.
Two we're out of
Yeah, we saw one.
60,
64.
64. That's a nice one. Who caught this one?
Pops did 64 and a half.
Is that your first?
First one in the this here in the winter anyway.
First one this winter. I caught one, a couple of them here in the spring last year. But
Big. That's big.
55 and 45 or something.
I'm gonna try and catch some.
Good deal.
Need some worms, so I have no idea.
That's smart. All right, I'll get this end. You get the head. All right, ready, Brad? Yeah. Turn them towards heads up. There you go.
Alright, that's about good. Let's take a bun.
Okay. Ready? Yeah. Yeah, video going? Take off this line. Well, there you go. No big deal. Didn't look that big on the mark. On the either one of the sonars didn't look like a 65 inch. 64 and a half.